Shut up and sit down.
Dell XPS 15 2-in-1, hands-on with Dell's new powerful, but light, laptop. Traditionally the Dell XPS 15 has been the beefier version of the XPS 13, its lighted-up brother, if you will. That's not to say it's ever been thick or cumbersome, though. At 14mm it's been one of the thinnest and lightest powerful laptops you can get. But Dell has changed the XPS 15, it says 2018, and given it a new form and function. It's now proper 2-in-1 with a screen that can fold all the way back on itself to create a graphics tablet. The hinges are solid and allow you to rotate and keep the screen at pretty much any angle you want. There's also a new glass fiber material used that Dell promises to be incredibly hard-wearing. I wasn't able to test that, but I did find the weave soft and warm to the touch. It was a lot more comfortable to rest my palms on compared to the hard metal of the MacBook I wrote this on. The new Dell XPS 15 2-in-1 is 16mm thick, which is 2mm thicker than its extremely svelte predecessor. That's still fantastic for a 2-in-1 PC with a 15-inch screen. At 2 kilograms it's also light enough to carry without breaking your back, thanks to the aluminum and magnesium build. Dell has packed in a brand new maglev keyboard. Maglev is the tech that floating high-speed trains use to reduce friction and go faster. What this means for the XPS 15 2-in-1 is that the keyboard doesn't have many moving parts that can go wrong, so it should last longer. The maglev keyboard doesn't have a huge amount of travel, but feels fast and accurate, and was quiet to boot. To make the most of the Dell XPS 15's 2-in-1 capabilities, Dell has also announced the Premium Active Pen. It comes with 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt support for more detailed drawing and shading. The pen attaches magnetically to the side of any Dell 2-in-1 laptops and will cost $99 when it goes on sale in April 2018.